Trey Knowles, a cry for the punishment of the United States and Great Britain. I am coming against you. We, the people of God, the assembly of God throughout the whole world, stand against you. There will be nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. Your days are short. The assembly of God, we the people, bring this complaint and cry out to you, O Lord Yeshua. How long, O Lord, must I cry out for help and you do not listen? I call out, violence, yet you do not save. Why do you allow me to witness injustice, and why do you tolerate wrongdoing? Destruction and violence surround me. Strife and conflict are everywhere. The law has become powerless and justice. The wicked encircle the righteous, and justice is distorted. Look at the United States and the nations of Europe. Watch and be astonished, for something is being done in your days that you would scarcely believe even if you were told. Great Britain and America have been raised up, ruthless and relentless powers that sweep across the earth to seize lands not their own. They are feared and dreaded people, a law unto themselves who promote their own honor. Their machines of travel move swifter than leopards and strike more fiercely than wolves. Their forces charge forward. Their soldiers come from distant lands. Like eagles swooping down to devour, they rush in with violent intent. Their armies advance like a desert wind, gathering prisoners like grains of sand. They mock kings and ridicule rulers. Fortified cities are nothing to them. They laugh at them. By establishing military bases, they take hold of them. Then they move on like the wind, continuing in their guilt, people whose own strength has become their God. See how the enemy is swollen with pride. His desires are crooked and corrupt. Yet the righteous will live by faithfulness. Wine betrays him. He is arrogant and restless. His greed is as deep as the grave and as insatiable as death. He gathers nations to himself and takes peoples captive. Will not all of them rise to mock him with scorn, saying, Woe to the one who piles up stolen wealth and enriches himself through extortion? How long will this continue? Will not your creditors suddenly rise? Will they not awaken and make you tremble? Then you will become their prey. Because you have plundered many nations, those who remain will plunder you. For you have shed human blood. You have destroyed lands and cities and all who lived in them. Woe to the one who builds his house through unjust gain, setting his nest on high to escape the reach of ruin. You have plotted the destruction of many peoples, bringing shame upon your own house and forfeiting your life. The stones of the wall will cry out, and the beams of the woodwork will echo their testimony. Woe to the one who builds a city with bloodshed and establishes a town through injustice. Has not the Lord Almighty decreed that the labor of nations will become fuel for the fire, that peoples will exhaust themselves for nothing? For the earth will be filled with the knowledge of the glory of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. Woe to the one who gives drink to his neighbors, pouring it out until they are drunk so he may gaze upon their shame. You will be filled with disgrace instead of glory. Now it is your turn. Drink, and let your own nakedness be exposed.